In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Xbox account to Steam step by step using the easiest methods available on Windows. This is a really useful setup if you want to enjoy cross-platform features in supported games, including cross-progression, shared achievements, and friends lists that connect across ecosystems. Whether you're trying to set things up through the Xbox app, inside a game, or through Xbox Game Bar, I'll walk you through each method clearly so you can choose the one that works best for you. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software and gaming tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's start with the easiest method, which is using the Xbox app on your Windows PC. Open the Xbox app and make sure you're signed in to the Microsoft or Xbox account you want to connect. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner and click your profile picture. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Inside Settings, go to the Account tab. Here, you should see a section called Linked Accounts. In that section, look for Steam and click Link. As soon as you do that, a browser window will open and ask you to sign in with your Steam credentials. Enter your Steam username and password, then review the authorization prompt carefully. Once you approve the connection, your Xbox account and Steam account will be linked. This is the simplest option for most users because it takes just a few clicks and doesn't require launching a game first. Now, if you prefer to link accounts while you're actually in a game, that's also possible. Many Microsoft published games on Steam will ask you to sign in the first time you launch them. Examples include games like Age of Empires 4, Forza titles, Halo, the Master Chief Collection, and Sea of Thieves. To do this, simply launch the game from Steam. When the sign-in window appears, enter your Microsoft or Xbox account details. Follow the prompts to complete the login process, and once it's finished, the game will remember your account connection. In many cases, this means Steam and Xbox will stay linked for that title, and sometimes for other Xbox integrated games as well. This method is especially helpful if you're trying to get into a game quickly and don't want to dig through extra settings menus first. Another way to connect your accounts is through the Xbox Game Bar. To open it, press Win and G on your keyboard. Once the game bar appears, click the settings gear icon at the top. From there, go to the account section. You should see Steam listed as an available linked account option. Click the link button next to Steam, then follow the on-screen login prompts to finish connecting your account. This is another fast method if you already use Xbox Game Bar for gaming tools, performance overlays, or quick access features while playing on Windows. If you run into any issues, make sure you're signed in to the correct Microsoft account before linking. Also double check that you're not already connected to a different Steam account, because that can sometimes cause confusion when the wrong profile opens in the browser. If the link option doesn't show up right away, try restarting the Xbox app or checking for updates on both the Xbox app and Steam. In most cases, the process is straightforward and only takes a minute or two. Once everything is connected, you'll be ready to use supported cross-platform features wherever the game allows them. And that's how to link your Xbox account to Steam using the Xbox app, in-game prompts, or Xbox Game Bar. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.